What's poppin', boys and girls? This your boy Too Sly, the Slap God, aka Dr. D.A.W. Semakasane. You already know what it is. Guys, this one is very simple tutorial. I'm gonna teach you how not to get latency when you are recording vocals, because I realized a lot of people were inboxing me, bangchelo ukuthi, yo bro, like I did exactly what you said I must do, but every time I'm getting a recorder, like I hear latency on my headsets. So it's a very simple fix, guys. Without wasting any further time, let's jump on it. You just go to options, audio settings. Obviously you need to set up your direct sound device to your sound card name, and then your Azure device to your sound card name as well, right? And then sizalagu buffer length size. I'm gonna tell you the difference about these numbers specifically. There's 16, there's 32, there's 64, there's 128, there's 256, there's 512, and then there's 1024. It's 1024. I would prefer to when you are done recording, your song is ready, it's you are mixing now. I prefer to you stick to this one because it's gonna put less strain into your CPU, giving you allowance you're to fire more plugins without your system and stuff like that, depending on your processor and your RAM size, the computer. So when you're mixing, I prefer you stick to this one. And then another one, when you are mixing also, you can work around 512. But as you add more plugins, more powerful plugins and more vocals, you're gonna need to step back, because like this one, no more recording, there's gonna be latency. And then the best setting that you must stick to more recorder, it's 128 and 256. 128, if your computer is powerful enough, you have like a processor a sharp, a RAM size a kick randy, you can use 128. It's perfect for recording vocals, and this is my favorite. I normally recommend this. 256 is the best. You'll never get feedback even if you add reverbs, Google Vocal Laco and EQs, and I'll teach about how to create your template more recorder, so that I'll qalele phansi loku mixer just to save time, and the creativity is there. You just wanna sound nice already. My go-to buffer size, it's this one, 128 and 256, the best. You'll never get latency. Forget about 512 and 1024, because lezo it's for mixing. 256 and 128 is for recording vocals. I think I've covered everything, guys. Latency, you stick to 128 or 256. You'll thank me later. This is your boy Too Sly, aka the Slap God, signing out. Peace.